Alright, this integer problem says 45 minus a negative 46 plus a negative 12. The first thing I need to do is rewrite this equation because right here I have a minus minus, so that's going to turn positive. So I have 45 plus 46 plus my negative 12. Those parentheses around the negative 12 don't mean anything. Okay, let's use some front-end addition here. So 40 plus 40 is 80. 5 plus 6 is 11. 80 plus 11 is 91. Okay, so now I have 91 plus a negative 12. Well, that's easy. Let's just subtract 10. That gets us down to 81. 81 minus 2 more is a positive 79. So let's do our next example. We have 34 minus 49 plus 48. Okay, so I want to show you something here. I want to take these two numbers because I have a negative 49 and a positive 48. When I add my signs are different. When your signs are different, you have to subtract. 49 minus 48 is 1. And negative 49 is farther from 0, so it's a minus 1. So I am left with 34 minus 1. 34 minus 1 is really simple. 33 is my answer. Looking at this problem, I have negative 34 plus negative 39 minus 46. Well, if I turn that into a plus sign, then I have to change the sign of the 46. So I have a negative 46. So the pattern you should see when you look at this one is I have one negative number, two negative numbers, three negative numbers. When my signs are the same, you add them up. So 30 plus 30 is 60. 60 plus 40 is 100. I'm just going to write that down so I don't forget. Remember, it's a negative 100. Now let's deal with the digits in the ones place. The 4, the 9, the 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 4 more is 19. And again, it's negative. I need to add these two numbers together. My answer is negative 119. Okay, don't be fooled by this. I have a negative number, a negative number, and a negative number. So I need to add those three negatives together. With this problem here, I have a negative 29 minus a negative 45 plus negative 41. Looky here, there we have that negative negative again. So I'm going to rewrite this problem as a negative 29 plus 45 because the two negatives turn that 45 positive plus a negative 41. Alright, I might as well do these two numbers here first because I want to give myself a simple problem. My signs are the opposite. I have a positive 45 and a negative 41, so I need to subtract and keep the sign of the larger. The sign of the larger is this positive 45. Alright, 45 minus 41 is 4. So now I bring down my negative 29 plus my positive 4. I got my positive 4 from subtracting 41 from 45. Alright, my signs are different, so I need to subtract again. And when I subtract, I get negative 25. Let's do our final problem. I have 28 minus a negative 22 plus a negative 41. I need to rewrite this problem as well. Start with my 28. I have my double negative, so that turns positive, plus my negative 41. Now I'm going to combine my two numbers here. I'll do some mental math. I'll borrow my 2 from here and bring it over there to get 30. 30 plus 20 is 50. So now I have 50 plus my negative 41. My signs are different. I have a positive 50 and a negative 41. When your signs are different, that means subtract. 50 minus 41 is 9. The 50 is the greater absolute value. It's further from 0, so my answer is a positive 9. Watch this collection of videos as many times as it takes to start seeing the patterns in adding and subtracting integers.